guys, Lauren Losing here. I'm going to be doing the VSG Kirk Double Dare video response and go through my fridge and my freezer. I actually have a separate freezer and fridge in the garage that I'll also show you, and if I have time I'll even go through my pantry a little bit. So here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so I do live with my parents right now. We actually arrange the fridge into the left side is my stuff and the right side is their stuff. So my stuff, I have egg beaters, I have unsweetened chocolate almond milk, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and regular unsweetened almond milk. Behind there I have some pickles, I have the no sugar added cut up red grapefruit, I have 2 bottles of lemon juice back there. I have Trader Joe's tzatziki sauce. I tend to mix that with, this is just the Trader Joe's brand, but it's just white meat chicken. And so over here I also have some light Alfredo sauce, I have fat-free gravy, I have I have my spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip. These are all packages, like things that I've made. It's mostly my turkey ricotta bake that I make, so these are all just like single serving sizes. I have Opa Greek yogurt dressing. This is the feta dill. This is the blue cheese. This is the Caesar. It's really good if you haven't tried it. I use lactose-free Go Veggie grated Parmesan cheese alternative. Sounds super sketchy, but it's really good. I have some fat-free ricotta in here. I have some fat-free feta. Next, this is all Greek yogurt. Except for this one plain Fayet. I have all of Dan and Light and Fit. So I have strawberry cheesecake, I have caramel macchiato, I know that I have key lime in there. I have like all the flavors pretty much. Here's a little meat drawer. That was kind of gross that that stuck. This was just some chicken asada. That is some Trader Joe's beef sirloin. This is Trader Joe's pulled chicken breast. This drawer, most of the stuff is mine. So I have jalapeno and regular Weight Watchers cheese sticks. I have a couple of the Crate and Barrel, not Crate and Barrel, Cracker Barrel, 2% cheddar. I have, so these all look like a couple of flavors, but I have them all like mixed in there. So these are literally like every flavor that I can find of the Laughing Cow cheese wedges, and then back, these are also the cheese wedges, but then back here I also have the cream cheese. I have the chive and onion and the regular. Over here, there's some of my stuff over here. Some of this is my parents' bacon, center cut bacon, that's mine. This is just some roast beef. Reduced fat, shredded cheese. Then there's some fruit, blueberries. Not much fruit in that drawer right now. Celery, cucumber, chives, carrots I don't really use. In the door, lime juice. There's some Walden's Farm barbecue sauce. I don't really like any of the Walden's Farm stuff besides the barbecue sauce. I have a couple of different sugar-free syrups. I don't know why. I have a sugar-free Hershey's syrup that I've only used maybe once or twice. Up here are capers. Definitely use that. Hot sauce. This is the jalapeno hot sauce. This is some wasabi. There's chili lime Cholula. I love hot sauce. There is fat-free dressing, Dijonnaise, just regular mustard. Alright, so that was the fridge. There's not much in this freezer. I keep it most in the garage. Let's see. So I do have some frozen cauliflower in here. My veggie meatballs. Chicken sausage. I have some of the Thai lime shrimp skewers in here. I'm not really going over any of the stats just because I've gone through them in most of my videos. My pork roast. I do have some Morningstar burgers in here. My parents eat those also. My Dole dippers. Alright, let's go over to the pantry. It's going to be pretty messy because I have not cleaned this out recently, so I have to do that. So there's my protein powder. This is my peanut butter cookie. This is my Simply Vanilla. This is my double stuffed cookie. It's the nectar. I personally like the Matrix better, so if I were to do that again, I'd probably get the cookies and cream of the Matrix and not the double stuffed cookie of the nectar. And then back there is a cappuccino. This is kind of like my snack basket. These are awesome. I went over this in my giveaway video, but I haven't gone over it in a regular video. So these are Choco Light. They call bars. So there's 2 little servings in here. They're only 30 calories per serving. There's really no protein in them, but if you are craving chocolate, sorry, this video is going all over the place. It's not bad at all. So there are 30. I'm trying to get it to focus. Is that gonna work? Come on. Anyway, 30 calories, 6 grams of fiber. So 1 net carb, no sugar, and so there are 2 servings per pack, so I always have the 2 servings. So this is the chocolate caramel pretzel, and then I also have peanut butter cup patties, and those are super good. So I have my Parky Jerky here. I have protein pretzel snacks. There's cinnamon toast and jalapeno honey mustard. I also have the protein crinkles that are the dill flavor, dill pickle flavor. I got this. I have not tried it yet, but it got really good reviews. When I go to the garage, I'll show you what I had tonight, but I haven't had real pasta, but I figured, you know, if I ever do want it, this would be a good choice. So it's Wonder Slim spicy cheese and pasta. Stats are, for 1 packet, it's 130 calories, 2 grams of fat, 17 carbs, which is, I mean, a good amount of carbs, but it's not nearly as much as regular pasta. 2 of those are from fiber, and then 12 grams of protein. Yeah, so I have a lot of my stuff mixed in with my parents' stuff in here, so you'll see. I also haven't tried this yet, but I want to. Wonder Slim creamy cheesecake. So 1 serving is 120 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, 8 carbs, and 12 grams of protein. I have my pound of vacuum sealed PB2 here. This is the chocolate kind. My Quest bars, my freeze-dried apples, my pouches of tuna are all the way back here. I have more Perky Jerky back here. That's pretty much it for my stuff. Alright. So this is, I don't know why this shows up super in my face when I'm trying to do a video. It zooms in a little bit, so we're going to walk this way and go into the garage, and then I'll show you the freezer in the garage. Okay. It is cold. Okay. freezer. So, I have some of this, like I said, some of the stuff is not mine. There are more bean burgers back there, way more burgers back there. More Dole Dippers. These are the banana ones for my nephew. This is Italian style ground turkey. That's the kind my mom uses. I actually have the regular extra lean, like right here. I have sugar-free popsicles. I have frozen chicken, lots of frozen chicken. I have some bacon-wrapped sirloin. I have some extra lean beef, so it's 96% lean and 4% fat. Pretty hard to find, actually. And then I have some bacon-wrapped chicken stuffed with jalapenos and cream cheese. I haven't had it yet, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be an orgasm in my mouth. Morningstar sausage patties, so those are meatless sausage patties. And then over here, this is like my whole stack of steamed vegetables, and then even more steamed vegetables in there. Stuff in the door really isn't mine. Over here's my water. Here's another fridge. This is a drink fridge mostly. So I have some lean shakes in here, lots of water. I clearly stocked up on the jalapeno string cheese. Those are my father's, not mine. Those were mine. I haven't had them. I have the Fused Diet iced tea every once in a while. Okay, and then over here. So you'll see my Premier Protein down there. I am one of those people who don't yell at me, people. It's not my favorite. I have this disgusting stuff that I actually have not tried, but Chris or Gooch told me not to, and that it's really disgusting. I have these, which they're Fiber One 90-calorie lemon bars, and I've only had it once, but they're really good. And, you know, it's just for a treat. I have more freeze-dried fruit, Fuji apple, strawberry and banana, and Asian pear. I have a bunch of boxes of Alpine spiced apple cider, sugar-free. Up here I have packages of pork rinds. These are hot and spicy. These are the regular. Those are just the cheese snacks. These, the lovely Molly Sleeved got for me, and I finally tried them tonight. She was so pissed that I hadn't tried them yet because she got them for me a while ago, and she spent a good amount of money on them, I'm sure, because they were from Whole Foods, and she sent them to me. She shipped them to me, and so she was rightfully so pissed, but I loved it. So it's organic black bean spaghetti. She also sent me one that's mung bean, I believe. That's, yeah, organic mung bean fettuccine. So I had the black bean spaghetti tonight with veggie meatballs and some arrabbiata sauce. So it's spicy marinara, and some of the veggie parmesan. So I had a quarter of a serving, which is, so a serving is 2 ounces. Fucking focus here, people. Really? No? Okay. Anyway, 2 ounces is 180 calories, 2 grams of fat, 17 carbs, 12 of those are from fiber, and then 25 grams of protein. So I had a quarter of a serving, and it was so freaking good. It did not taste like black beans at all. It was like eating pasta. I have a bunch of creamy cappuccinos in here because I ordered it in bulk. And I think that's it.